I'll walk you through the official steps to create a secure passcode on your Apple Watch, which is essential for protecting your personal data and enabling features like Apple Pay without relying on complex iPhone settings. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's see how it's done directly on Apple Watch. First, press the digital crown to access the app menu. Tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Passcode to find the security options. Tap Turn Passcode on, enter a strong 4-digit code and confirm it to secure your device. You can also turn off Simple Passcode to allow a longer, stronger, and more complex security code than just 4 digits. You can also use your paired iPhone for an easier setup alternative. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap the My Watch tab at the bottom to begin the configuration. Select Passcode. Check that wrist detection is enabled. This is a key security feature that ensures your watch automatically locks the moment you take it off your wrist. Remember, if you enter the wrong passcode too many times, your Apple Watch will erase itself to protect your information, so choose a code you won't forget. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.